The final part would be how are we going to share out whatever we have. Okay, sharing is caring, so we have to know how to share whatever we have with our colleagues. Alright, okay, first of all, we just have to back up whatever we have. Alright, you choose backup here from the right panel, click it. Okay, then scroll until the end, click next. Alright, then if we only want to share our quiz, the one that we made earlier, then we just click none. Alright, everything is on tick. So you go into that specific place, week 8, alright, testing. Okay, click this, testing. Okay, scroll down until the end, click next. Alright. Again, perform backup. Click it. Alright, the backup file was successfully created. Okay, continue. Okay, so now you can see that the one that we backup just now is already here. Okay, then we can actually download it. So we download it, so it's in the Moodle code, so we can send this thing to our friends later on. So if our friends, they want to use the same quiz that we have, it's very simple. Once they have this Moodle code, they just have to click restore from their eCampus page. Alright, restore. Let's say I choose another class first. Maybe I choose PC1. Okay, just now we have everything in PC2. So this is the cross page for PC1. So we go to restore, click here. Alright, so this is the Moodle code, right? So you can just drag and place it here. Alright, and then after that, click restore. Then you will see that you get the same quiz in your cross page. Alright, then another way is you can try this, import. Okay, import. Okay, very good. Right, find a course to import data from. So we have it just now, we have it in PC2. So we click this. But one thing you have to remember, for restore, everybody can do this, but for the import part, only the person that who teach that particular class, let's say I'm the person who created the quiz, and then I created the quiz in PC2. So only I myself, or I can import whatever I want to import into my own classes. Okay, other lecturers, they cannot import whatever I have to their classes. Okay, but the coordinators can do so anyway. Okay, so you just click, alright, and then you click continue. And same thing, scroll until the end, scroll down to the end, click next. And then yeah, alright, if you just want to pick a few only, then straight away click none. Alright, just take the one that you want to have it. Alright, and then after that you just click next, and so on and so forth. So you will have the quiz in whatever page that you want to have it. Alright, okay, I think that's all from me.